Hey friends, I just got done with my hot girl walk, drinking a smoothie, and I want to talk to you a little bit about creating a lead magnet and why this is a very, very important first step before you try to sell your digital product. So there's a lot of advice out there on selling digital products and using social media as a sales funnel. I have this entire program I'm working on right now that's called the Social Funnel Academy. So obviously I agree with the idea of using social media as a funnel. So many people out there are telling you to use social media to drive sales to your business. And yes, I definitely think inside your videos or your Instagram posts or whatever it is that you're doing on social media, you should mention your paid offerings. But where people get it wrong is more than mentioning your paid offering, you need to be mentioning a freebie or a lead magnet that's leading people to your email list, because email marketing, even though it's been around for so long, and I think some people think it's dead, which it's not, is one of the best ways to nurture your community. And those are the people that you're going to have better luck selling to. Because here's the thing, if you look at my YouTube analytics, the majority of people watching my videos are people who are not subscribed, which means that this might be the first time they ever saw me. And the same goes with Instagram. If you post a reel, use a trending audio, you're hoping for a lot of reach. And the majority of that reach is coming from people who are not already following you. So with an Instagram reel or a YouTube video, instead of selling to those people, which is a cold sale, you should be nurturing them. You should give them value so they want to subscribe or follow you. You want to give them the opportunity to get a free resource from you, which will then bring them to your email list, where then you can provide them more value. And the more free value and the more nurturing that you do, that person's going to build trust for you and then be way more likely to make a purchase with you. So if you do your funnels properly, it's more likely that you're going to make a sale. And a lot of people don't like this because it's not instant gratification. You're not going to get a whole bunch of views on your video and then tons of sales. Instead, you might get tons of email subscribers. But the thing is, building an online business, building a content creation business, building a digital product business, it's all the same. The slow burn approach works best. And what I mean by that is you need to start now by creating this base of your business. And as time goes on, your business will grow. So many people nowadays want that quick win. They want that hack that's gonna make them money super fast. And I get it. I've been there, I have tried things thinking it will turn over profit faster, and it's just not worth it because you're gonna waste a whole bunch of time and it's never going to work. And then if you think to yourself now, wow, if 2 years ago I started this slow burn approach, then I would end up having a successful business now. So don't waste any more time. Start now doing as we're talking about, and then I promise you a couple years from now, if you stay steady and consistent, you will have growth in your business. So I don't want to just talk about it, I want to show you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Canva. You can get Canva Pro for 30 days completely free. I'll have a link in the description, and that way you can use all of their best features when you're creating this lead magnet. So check that out. But otherwise, the free version is totally fine. You just want to give them a little nugget of information that ties back to that digital product. And you're going to create like a 1, 2, 3 page guide or checklist or something that has to do with that main topic and what you are talking about mainly on your social media. Canva is so straightforward and easy to use. I suggest looking through their various templates as a starting point. If you want to make a checklist, type in checklist. If you want to make a guide, type in guide. I promise you, you're going to find tons of really cute things that you can use, and just pick one, change the branding to your colors, your fonts, and of course, change the information. Canva Pro does have some AI support. So if you write something out and then you want it to improve your writing, you can do that. But all of this is super straightforward. And if you have any Canva questions, let me know in the comments. Next up, there's 2 platforms that I use and that I recommend, and that is Standstore and MiniChat. In Standstore, this is where you're gonna actually set up your product. It is $99 a month to use all of the features, including the email marketing and the email funnels. And so that is an investment you would wanna make in your business. I highly recommend doing it. Save a couple $100s, which would give you 2 months of their platform, and invest in yourself, invest in your business. It's gonna be worth it in the long run. And I'm gonna tell you, $99 a month for everything that's included in Standstore is totally worth it. You can host a membership, you can create a course, you can upload your digital product, your free resource, there's email marketing, email flows, there's an AI platform within Stan, the list goes on and on. It's totally worth $99 a month. There are two different ways you can set up your lead magnet in Standstore. The first way is just adding a product on the main store page and then choose the email collection option and then set it all up in there. The second way is to go to the funnel section and you can set up your lead magnet there. And then if you have a paid offering, you can add that as an exclusive offer that will pop up after they download their free resource. Those are the two different ways. If you want me to go more in detail on those, please let me know. Now on to MiniChat. It's $15 a month, but again, it's really worth it if you're trying to push for growth in your business. And this is mainly if you're using Instagram. I'm sure you've seen people on Instagram say, comment this word, and I will send you a DM with a link to whatever it is they're talking about. So those people are using a chatbot automation, which is what MiniChat is, and I feel like a lot of people use this specific platform as well, but it's very easy to set up a new automation. You're just going to hit the plus sign, set up an automation, and use the Instagram comment to DM option. You will fill out the various options, choose the keywords that you want to use. You can even have auto responses to the comments, and then of course you're going to choose what you say in the DM and attach the link to this automation. Sounds complicated, but I promise you it's very easy. If I can create a template, which I think you can, I will do so and have it available in my Creators Resource Hub, which if you didn't know is my free resource. It's my lead magnet. It is a hub full of different resources. Instead of having 20 different resources, I just put them all in one place so it's easy for you to grab and bookmark, and then you can check back frequently because I keep adding more stuff to it because I love to give you stuff for free, which will also give you an inside peek of my Standstore and how that process actually looks as somebody who is downloading a free resource. So make sure to grab it. Again, it's completely for free. So now all you have to do is create content and make sure your content relates back to the free resource that you're providing them as well. You want to be able to create content and then naturally bring up your free resource, just like I did a second ago with my Creators Resource Hub. You want to be providing free value and then say, hey, if you want more free value, comment this word or go to the link in the description, and then allow that person to take the journey with you, get on your email list. And that brings us to the next step in this process, which is doing some sort of weekly newsletter. If you don't have time for that, I totally understand. You can do a bi-weekly or even a monthly newsletter instead. But honestly, I think people think too much into it. You don't have to have this crazy elaborate weekly newsletter. Just provide free value. Share a story that you experienced and the lesson you learned from it. Share something that's going on with you in your life and apply that to your business and whatever topic it is you're talking about. Something that I like to do is have all links to any paid offerings, my other YouTube videos, etc., linked at the bottom of every single one of my emails, just like a little call out. So if they do make it to the end of the email and they see that, they may on their own explore and read more into my other offerings or my other content. But then occasionally, maybe if I run a sale or maybe I'm doing a launch. Right now, my email community is helping me out a ton. I am launching a new product coming up soon, and I created a survey that I sent to them. And I have so many of them filling out that survey, and they're providing me such helpful advice and feedback on some of the things I plan to do with this paid offering. And this also provides me the opportunity to include them in some of my decisions, which will probably encourage some of them actually making the purchase of my paid offering because they know that they took part in making it something that they really need. Having an email community is absolutely crucial to any business, and hopefully this video gave you a little bit of a walkthrough on how to create one and build that community and build that trust with that community. And that way you can start making lots of money on your digital product. I guess that's the end of the video. I didn't even see it coming, but you can watch this one next if you don't want to stop watching my videos. And that's it. I hope you have a great day. Bye.